कुल्हाड़ी बाल नहीं काट सकती, कुल्हाड़ी बाल नहीं काट सकती। कैंची पेड़ नहीं काट सकती, कैंची पेड़ नहीं काट सकती। हर इंसान का रुतबा अपना अलग है, इसीलिए किसी की तुलना किसी से नहीं की जा सकती। So hello friends, how you all are? I hope you all are very well. So today I am here to share with you with the interesting story that is about the two pots. As earlier in the initial of this video, I shared one quote with every one of you. It means that everyone has their own potential. So we should not have to compare the two different things which with each other, because everybody has their its own potential, own caliber, own quality. So we will understand it by this story in deeply. So one day there was a poor farmer. So he woke up in the early morning. So he took the one rope of wood and tied the thread at the end of the wood and tie them the two different pots in with the rope. So he went to take the water in the pot at the middle of the village. So after having a long effort, he reached at the well and he started to take the water from the well and he filled his both pots. So while returning, what he saw when he reached at his destination, at that time the one pot was full of water and the second pot having a very small amount of water. So another day he also did the same thing, and later on the third day he tried to understand the actual thing. What is the main reason that one pot has lost the whole water and what have the complete water? So the third day he realized that the one pot was the cracked pot and the second pot was the good pot. So he saw it and dispersed the seed of the flower that side where the pot was defected. So he continued the same thing for the week, and at the end of the week the first pot mocked at the second pot and he smiled on him, say that I am the very good pot, I am giving the more amount of water than you, and started to jeer at the second pot. The second pot feeling very guilty and he cried. Then the farmer came. He asked him, what happened? Why are you crying, little pot? He shared the incident that had happened between the first and second pot. The farmer tried to understand him that no need to think about the first pot. You are good. You are also giving me the water as I much needed. You are provided me. But still the second pot was not happy. So day by day, gradually the day has passed and it will be foregoing. So the next day, the first pot jeered at the second pot again. So that time the second pot started to cry very loudly. The farmer came to him and make him understand that today you have to observe the both side of the road and you will definitely saw the result there. The first pot and the second pot both looking their sides, and the second pot saw the defected pot saw that in his side there was the long plants with the very colored beautiful flowers. So he smiled and felt happy. Again when he reached at home, so the first pot started to jeer at him. At that time he started again to cry. The farmer came to him and explained him that today you have seen the consequences of your defection. He said, my dear little pot, because of you, at your side there was the plenty of flowers and they all were happy and we also happy because of you. So he understand him. The another day they went again for the as usual the farmer did. So when he came back, the first goat started to laugh at him again. That time the farmer tried to understand the both pot their qualities. He make understand the first pot and the second pot their caliber. He told the first pot, because of you are having good capacity to hold the water, I get the good amount of water. But because of the defection of the second pot, we got the good quality of numerous flowers. So you both of them have your own quality. So it means from this story we understood that everybody has their own issue, own caliber and own solution. So we should not have to compare anybody with anyone. So whatever you are, try to make the best out of that and try to put hard effort to give the successful and the impressive results. So I hope this video will really informative for you. You will learn a good thing from this video. So please, if you like the video, so please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching.